Hey, what's up? Thanks for watching. Today we have an 07 Shelby GT Supercharged. We're going to solve a problem on this car, tell you what happened, tell you what we figured out. Of course, we'll make a dyno pull. Hey, if you haven't, please subscribe and notify. Now let's go check it out. Hey, what's up? Brent from Brent Speed. Thanks for watching Brent Speed TV. So here's what we have going on. Received a phone call. Hey, I just bought a Shelby GT. It's got the Kenne Supercharger. It's actually the Shelby brand of Kenne. Pretty cool setup. I have Doug with me today. Doug, let's just take a look at this engine compartment real quick so everybody can see what we're looking at. But what happened was he called, he said, hey, I bought this car. It's got check engine lights. It's not running very good. I don't know what to do. Well, anytime really you buy a used Mustang that's modified, we highly advise bring it in, let us look at it. Let's tell you, one, if it's a good car, possibly what you have going on with it, and really what mods the car even has. So anyways, he made the appointment and came in. Let me go show you what we found. All right, so here's what we found. Check engine light, CAT codes, misfire codes. Now, I don't necessarily like seeing misfire codes on a supercharged 3-valve car. They typically don't get it. So we're definitely gonna look at the engine. We did a compression check, all good, put in a fresh set of plugs. That's gonna solve that. We actually serviced the engine. We changed oil in the supercharger. On the left, CAT codes. Red flag right here, we have a replace catalytic converter. Bad sign. Check out the inside of this factory catalytic converter over here. Doug's gonna try to get down in there with the camera, but that cat right there is blown out. And what happens when that cat blows out, the pieces go down in, it clogs it. We've seen this on different applications, and that's something you wanna get fixed right away because it can cause engine damage if you don't fix that. But it's good now. Car runs good, no more check engine lights. Let's make a dyno pull. All right, fun numbers. DynoJet rated SAE 449 real horsepower, a 6,400 RPM, torque came in right at 402. Fun power on the street right there. So something I want to hit on, man, it really sucks when you buy a used car and you don't know the backstory. We have no clue why one cat's been replaced at one time. Obviously it was bad, but here's the best thing we can do. We did the compression check, good. Plugs in look good, fresh plugs. We did a power balance. Engine seems good, so we're good there. Replaced the cat with a factory mid-pipe, and all that's good, and then retune the car on the dyno so we now know what tune's on it, and that came out great. Again, 449 of the tires, 400 torque. Hey, I'm Brent. If you have any questions, leave a comment, and don't forget, if you have a Mustang that needs work, or maybe you're buying one, and you have it now, and you don't have any clue what's on it, it's fully modded, you can email quote@brentspeed.com to get a price on bringing it in. We'll let you know a repair cost, or just how much it is to check it out. Thanks for watching.